Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Wise Man White from the Tech Temple. Thank you for checking out another video. And if you watched part one, you saw that I used the FenSens wireless parking sensor. I showed you exactly how I installed it and the issues that I had, and I showed you how to set up with the app. And now we're gonna see if this bad boy actually works. So stay tuned, and you can see if I either hit something or I just barely hit something and didn't hit it thanks to the FenSens. So we'll see. Let's check it out.
The Tech Temple.
So again, go home. You can be in, let's say I'm in Google Maps, just for the heck of it. And I want to back up. Hit the button, and it's there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can back up against something that'll actually, the sensor will read, and we'll see how well it works. Alright guys, so here I go. I'm gonna back this up. The button, top button. App opens up. Kind of far just for now, but alright, coming up on it. So you can see it. And should be beeping. It might have this on my external. There you go. So I'm close. And you can check any other camera to see how close exactly I am. So you can see it. And there you go. But yeah, it works. So there you go. FenSens, under 200 bucks. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you, FenSens, for sending me this unit so I can try it out and show it to my viewers. I appreciate you guys always supporting me. If you got any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the video description. See you guys later. This is Wise Man White from the Tech Temple. Okay, so that was going to be the end of the video, but I decided that I needed to have a little explanation of what happened. So when I backed up, you might be thinking, hey, I didn't get exactly close to the item that I was backing up towards. There was probably maybe a foot, little less of clearance between my car and the object that was behind me. And the main reason that is because of the sensors. So if you, the sensors right here, this is a FenSens, there's a model of it. So right here and right here, those are the actual sensors. So the sensor does not shoot a beam, it shoots a cone, which detects the object that is behind you. So if the sensor is tilted far up, the cone would be like this. If the sensor is tilted too far down, it would be like this. So I had my cone tilted too far up, so I was actually not able to get as close as I should have been. So through our trial and error, I've been using this FenSens for over a year now. So I got used to it, and I learned I needed to slowly, through time, and I needed to put that sensor on both sides straight towards more like this. And depending on what you have, if you have a truck, you definitely want to adjust it, but no matter what size of a car or vehicle you have, you can adjust it. So after I adjusted that, I was able to get much closer to my target, sometimes more closer than I really want to. And if you have that fear, you can always go in the settings. You can always adjust that clearance, or I showed in the previous video where it shows you if you want to, if you measure between your bumper and the actual FenSens, you can tweak that so that you have a little more clearance so you're more comfortable. So I wanted to address that if you have any questions about that. So you can't put two of these on your car. You can put one in the front, you can put one in the back, and it will still work for both of them. So I wanted to get that out there before I show the next product. And they came out with a camera that is also wireless and is one step above this. This one's battery powered. The battery is housed in here. It is been over a year and I am still above 50%. I think I'm roughly 71, 73%. The new one for the camera, which I'm excited about, I didn't want to open it until I finish this video for you guys. That one is powered by solar, so there would be no battery replacement, so I'm excited about that. I'm excited to have a camera. So if you don't have any kind of sensor in your car, a camera or just any kind of sensor that beeps, check these out. FenSens is a great company. Their customer service has been good anytime I had questions, so it's a great gift for your loved ones or your kid or even yourself if you have an older car and you don't have any kind of sensor in your car. So if you have any questions or any comments, leave them in the description and I will be sure to answer them as always. Thank you for checking out this video. This is Wise Man White from the Tech Temple. I will see you guys later.